Okay, I'm going to do a real quick video to help the people that are making that transition from code.org to uh, Khan Academy. So basically, always try to keep in mind what we learned in code.org. Even though the programming language was called Blockly, now we're transitioning into JavaScript. So, Khan Academy is a step by step program that will help us learn how to code in JavaScript so that when we start doing projects, um, I would say freehand, where we create our own, we'll have a better idea of what we need to do. So, there was a video already out on how to get into Code Academy, and I'll see if I can give you a breakdown real quick on. Now my screen is on what we're supposed to do. My screen is gonna look a little different than yours, but basically it's the idea is the same. So let's just say I go to, if you go to your name, you'll see learner home. For me, it's teacher dashboard is where I normally work out of. But if I go to learner home, I guess maybe let me check it. Maybe it'll work. So learner home. Now I have computer science, but right now, really, technically, we're working on um, the other computer science part. So, what I need you guys to do is well, let me go ahead and go back and let me just add. Maybe if I add the programming to here, it'll help me out here. Okay, so in a nutshell, when you guys get on here, you're gonna see all these different things, and right now we're in introduction to JavaScript drawing and animation. So every so often you're gonna have assignments, and I still haven't learned how to maneuver it correctly, but I'm working on it. But anyways, so if you don't see something like this that comes up, what you need to do is check your name and notifications, and sometimes notifications it will say to update your curriculum, and so that's a good way to check on if you have anything new or if something's going to be updated into the program. Okay, long story short, um, anytime you see an icon that looks like this, that's a video. And anytime you see something like this, it usually means that there's a script. Um, See if I can find a key. Maybe there's a key at the bottom. No. Okay, so what I mean by key is it references what the emblems are for or the icons are for. So what we do is if you just start out by watching the video, just go step by step, especially for you guys at home. This is going to be really, you know, simple. So you're gonna run into some problems. Just let me know. But like right now, you see how it's a video going on in the background. Sometimes you have to
Commands.
unmute it, and that'll give you the thing. Most of this stuff down here is really nothing. It's just a forum. They just talking. You don't really have to participate in that. Oh, I don't know what just happened. Okay, that was a glitch. Okay, well, anyways, we'll keep going. Let's say I finish watching the whole video, right? What'll happen is a check mark will come up, and let me see if I can fast forward through the video. Don't fast forward to the videos though. You need to listen to the videos because they will tell you what's going on. And if you contact me and you haven't listened to the video, I'm gonna ask you, have you listened to the video? So now you finish the video. The next thing we're gonna do is learning program in Khan Academy. So you can punch next and go on. And now it's just a bunch of reading. Now here's the deal: with people that don't like to read, your best bet is to use this extension. It's called Read and Write. So if I click Read and Write, I can have the computer read to me,
In this course, we'll be teaching.
and that's how that works. A couple of things that I wanted to point out though, while you're reading through, there's something called talk throughs, and the talk throughs are basically videos that will help you understand what you're doing. So make sure to pay attention to those. Also, we have step by step coding challenges that you need to learn about programming. So, if you actually just read through here, you basically can find out what you need. And then, of course, there's projects. Projects are the important stuff that you got to do to actually um, turn something in. Okay, I apologize. I had to actually stop the video for a second, but just to see if I catch up where I started, you're going to have 40 talk throughs, which are videos, 35 challenges, and 9 projects during this whole course. So make sure to go through all the talk throughs, work through the challenges, and the challenges will get you through the project. So if you have any questions, just feel free to email me. If not, just continue to follow the instructions on Khan Academy, and you should be able to get through most of it. Um, like I was actually explaining this morning in class, you're probably wondering what you're supposed to turn in, but let's say you've been working for a while. The only thing that you would have to turn in, if you go to Canvas, see if we can get to Canvas. On Canvas, there's normally an assignment. And the assignment, did I ever turn the assignment loose for you guys? My apologies. I was just turning the assignment loose for the in school people. So anyway, so you go to modules, you find the assignment, which like today is drawing basics, and it'll give you what we're doing, and it'll tell you what document to use. So all you have to do is pull the document up, make a copy of it. So go to File and make a copy. Remember, don't worry about the copy of copy. I'm not worried about that. So then you punch OK, close the tab with the original. And to get full credit, make sure you do a screenshot of the whole screen. So I'm going to kind of show you what that looks like. So I'm over here working on Khan Academy, and I go through all of these, and I get to the waving snowman. And at this point, I finished all my code. Let's just say what you finished. I need a screenshot of everything from here, basically all of this. So you can see me kind of going around in a circle. But if I was to show you what it looks like, I'd click it. I would take a screenshot of all of that. I would copy to the clipboard. I would go to my sheet, and then I would paste it. And the reason why I'm doing that is so that way I can tell that you did all of the lesson, because all of these have check marks on them. I know the code that you're working with on your challenge and what the product looked like, and that'll get you full credit. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.